Have you ever noticed how shoppers land on your store, browse around, but still hesitate to make a purchase? That hesitation usually comes from one thing: a lack of trust. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the powerful recent sales notification feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the recent sales notification app and turn it on. Next, you can tailor your sales notifications by selecting which products to feature, and even customizing customer names and locations for a more authentic feel. You also have full control over the design. Adjust the position, display timing, and colors to perfectly match your brand's look and feel. Once saved, these pop-ups create powerful social proof, helping new visitors see that others are buying, and giving them that extra push to buy with confidence. Recent sales notification is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials, all designed to help your BigCommerce store build trust, boost sales, and grow faster. Try Crucials today and see what a difference the right tools can make.